Buddhism has always maintained a skeptical attitude toward reality and appearances, something obviously at odds with the wholehearted celebration of nature that characterizes Taoism. Whereas Buddhism believes it would be best if we could simply ignore the world, the source of our psychic pain. The Taoists wanted nothing so much as to have complete union with this same world. Buddhism teaches union with the void, while Taoism teaches union with the Tao. At first, they seem opposite directions, but the synthesis of these two doctrines appeared in Zen, which taught that the oneness of the void, wherein all reality is subsumed, could be understood as an encompassing whole or continuum as in Tao. Both are merely expressions of the Absolute. The Buddhists unite with the void, the Taoists yearn to merge with the Tao. In Zen, the two ideas reconcile.